Once again, a pleasant day to you, ma'am and sir. I am Victor Dayo, a grade 11 student of Dublin National High School. Today, I am going to present to you our very own style of Spanish language service with a product name of Omega Rose. OME stands for omega-3 fatty acids that are essential in preventing and managing heart disease. It may also help to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and reduce the chance of heart attack. Omega Rose is done from processed pork canning. Canning is a method or a general term applied to a process of packaging food in an airtight container and subject to life. And the reason why the product lasts so long is because half chilled pork jar is then heated beyond a certain temperature, causing the nasty pathogen to be neutralized. Thank you for listening, ma'am and sir. Balay, paborito, tahanan ng kondang